Live from New York City, you're watching the CW11 Morning News. You're watching the CW11 Morning News.
Audra, thank you. So what does this mean to the average family in our area? Well, joining us with that answer is bankruptcy attorney David Schav. David, thank you for being with us this morning. Well, in your opinion, what does this Wall Street drop mean to the average person?
Well, it certainly means that they're going to be having problems with credit, having problems perhaps modifying or getting a new loan, and perhaps keeping their jobs.
Now, a lot has been made about the credit crunch, the scarcity of credit. I mean, what do you expect, what can consumers expect over the next few months in your view?
Very difficult to tell. We do know that they're probably going to try to put this bill back before Congress. There probably will be some form of bill going through. Unfortunately, the bill had very little language, as we had seen, that helps the homeowners. All the language in there was basically window dressing, and the effect seems to be a trickle-down effect. If the economy does well by this bill, perhaps it will help the taxpayer.
All right. Now, a lot of folks hitting the financial wall these days. How do you know when it's time to consider bankruptcy?
Well, if the credit cards are very high, if you're behind on your mortgage, if you are borrowing from one credit card to pay another, it's definitely time to see a consumer bankruptcy specialist. And
let's talk about the different bankruptcy options. I mean, it's not all about liquidation.
No, not at all. Depending upon whether you have credit card debt or whether you have mortgage arrears, perhaps taxes, child support, Chapter 7 is generally to liquidate and discharge your unsecured debt, such as credit cards. Chapter 13 is generally to try to save a home if you're behind on your mortgage, give you perhaps up to 5 years to catch up, which also can include taxes, priority payments, something to that effect.
And again, for a Chapter 13, this is the courts also working with your creditors to try and bring down some of those bills and to get those paid off, not liquidated.
To a point, it's not working with the creditors. The court imposes a plan under the bankruptcy code, and the creditors are paid under that plan.
Okay, and as far as your credit report, how long do either of these stay on your credit report? Are they both the same, pretty much?
Chapter 7 will stay on your credit report for 10 years. A Chapter 13 will stay on your credit report for 7 years. Chapter 13 is considered better for your credit. It's a financial reorganization. I might also point out that as far as the homeowner is concerned, in a Chapter 13, there are homestead exemptions in the metropolitan area. In New York, you can protect up to $50,000 homestead per person on a deed. Connecticut is $75,000 per person, and there's less in New Jersey. All
right, David, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it. And you can follow all of the developments on the Wall Street crisis on our website, cw11.com/morning news. And of course, stay with the CW11 Morning News for continuing coverage of the bailout and the ongoing financial crisis. We will have live team coverage coming up in the next half hour. You can also find late breaking developments on our website, cw11.com/morning news.